Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Tatyanna and today's video is going to be a what's in my bag featuring the Prada re-edition bag and the crystals. So if you guys want to see what all can fit in this bag and a review, just keep watching. So y'all, you guys were here when I unboxed this bag. It's almost been a year since I've gotten her and I love her. This definitely is one of my favorite bags, and as you guys know, I featured this bag in my favorite bags video, which I will link above in the cards if you haven't seen it. But honestly, you can just look at her and just tell why she's my favorite. I honestly thought I wouldn't find anything to wear with this bag, but I find myself pulling this bag out so much. So if that's what has been keeping you from getting this bag, if you're interested in it, I'm here to tell you to get it. You will literally find so many things that this bag will look good with, and it's just so crazy how versatile it is, like outfit wise. So let's just jump right in and I'll show you guys what all can fit inside. So shockingly, even though she's small, she is mighty, y'all. She holds so much in here and you'll see. So the first thing I have is my charger, because I just use my phone so much and I'm always like on something that is draining my battery. So I really need to keep my charger with me, especially like at work, because my phone will die before my shift ends. So I definitely need to be able to have like a way to charge my phone, and I need my bag to fit in. And I need my charger to be able to fit in my bag. The next thing I have is hand sanitizer, of course. I have these black shades that I got from the juice box. I will link them below if I can find them, if they're still available, but I'll show you guys how they look on. They're like the mini frames where, you know, they like just fit half of your face, but I just think they're so cute. And I love to wear them like on top of my head. I love them. The next thing inside my bag would be hand lotion. I got this from Bath & Body Works and it is the Pure Wonder. The next thing I have is my compact mirror. I got this from Ice Cream Cosmetics. I just think this is so cute. It has the double mirror. I don't want to like flash it in the camera, but it has the mirror on two sides, the magnifying one and the regular one, and I just think this is also just so perfect. The next thing I have would be my phone. I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yeah. The next thing I have would be like this new lipstick that I'm trying. It's the NYX Lingerie Push-Up and the color Lace Detail. And I just love this combo with my Fenty Heat Balm. I just think these two together is just like really pretty. The next thing I have is a pen. Like y'all, I always find myself needing a pen lately, and so now I'm just like, you know what, let me make sure I always have a pen with me, because I always need a pen and I never have one. So a pen, and it's just like a regular Pilot brand. The next thing I have is my keys and my Louis Vuitton card holder, and last but not least, my AirPods. So that's everything that was inside of her. Like I told you guys, she fits a lot. Like she can fit all your everyday items, all your essentials, plus. So now I'm gonna tell you guys all the bag details. So the proper name for this bag is the Satin Mini Bag with Artificial Crystals. It is in a mini hobo shape, and the length is 6 centimeters, the height is 17 centimeters, and the width is 22 centimeters. It is lined with a silk satin lining, and it does have the zipper closure. I will list the product number right here at the bottom of the screen, and I'll also put in my description box just in case you need it. And I've had this bag, like I said, for a year, and it still looks brand new. It still has like all the crystals on it. I was really worried that maybe they'd fall off or rub off from like clothes or like, you know, rough material, and no, like as y'all can see, it literally has every single crystal still on it. I thought maybe it would turn colors, it would get dull, but as y'all can see, it's still like really shiny. Like, it's still just so beautiful. One of my best purchases by far, and I just love her so much. I highly recommend this bag. There are other colors that I love. Like, I really love the lavender one, and I love the pink one as well. I know the pink one they stopped making, but the lavender one is just so beautiful. I do like the plain ones as well. I love the red one. I almost got the pink one. I love the ones that are like furry now. I think those are so adorable. And if you're more of a girl who likes like the crossbody ones, I highly recommend those as well. Like, I use this one so much, so I'm sure I would use the crossbody one a lot as well. I don't really use my bags as crossbody bags, so the shoulder style is honestly perfect for me. But if you are a girl who prefers like crossbody bags, I highly recommend getting the other one with the strap. But this is definitely, like, if I had to rate her, 10 out of 10, because this bag, I just honestly didn't think I would love it as much as I do, and when I first saw it, I fell in love, and I still love her just as much. Well, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you have any questions or if you have this bag, let me know below in the comments. And if you want to see more videos from me, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy. Think you're bad, boy. Think you're bad.